Hi. I recently run into some problem that with a Arduino Nano that I get it from a eBay seller from China. Okay, this was the original original package that I received from the seller, and well, as we know that Arduino is always burned with a 1 second on 1 second off sketch when you first boot up. So you can see there's actually no such action going on the LED. It's just it's glaring here, but it's actually just the power LED that's being lighted up. So at first I thought okay, there was some issue, there may be a sketch inside, so I would just connect to a PC and just upload it. But then I realized that something went wrong. The problem was I couldn't upload any sketch to the Nano. Okay, but it appears that the Nano is able to connect to the PC via the USB to serial chip, which is this USB to serial chip. But this is not the FTDI chip. This is basically a Chinese chip, a CH340. It's very common in the global market for the cost reason. So I realized that it may not be the issue of the USB to serial chip, because it's able to communicate with the PC. So what I did was, so it could be a problem with the microcontroller then. So okay, the worst part is it could be the microcontroller, or maybe even the IC, the USB to serial chip went wrong. So then I just, okay, maybe it could be a bootloader. So what I did was I loaded I went online, I searched for some resource, so I came up with this circuit like this, based off what the Arduino IDE have given. Okay, I asked for the Arduino SISP sketch. This is the whole setup. Okay, you can see here there's 3 LEDs. Okay, the first LED here, the orange, or maybe yellow to you, okay, is the heartbeat LED as I wire up. Okay, this is telling you that something is going on the. Okay, anyway, there's already the Arduino ISP sketch on board. You can find it in the example under file tab in the IDE. So the second is the green, which I wired to the programming. So when the chip is programming, this green LED will constantly be blinking as it's writing to the Nano. So the third one will be the error LED. If any error pops out, okay, this will eventually light up for a long time, I presume. So but in this case, this setup should be alright. As you can see, there's nothing on the Nano, as I mentioned. So I will suspect it may be a error, it may be a corrupted bootloader or some sort. So the first thing I would do is I try to upload the bootloader to the Nano by using my working UNO as a ISP, in-system programmer. So I will now go to tools under the IDE, and now I will burn bootloader. If you want to see the details of the setup, you can actually just go online for the details. There actually some instructions even in the sketch to guide you along. So now just click on burn bootloader. You see some action here. Okay, you see some action. Something's happening. It's writing to the chip. It's writing. Okay. Oh, something's happening. It's blinking. That's my link on the video. Let me see whether it works.